Today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Passat, trying to make a spare key. Let's duplicate the key first. Leave the phone over here. Okay. Let's go to email. Volkswagen. Okay. We have a good battery. Let's go with smart selection. (2012) Passat. That's what we have. So the cluster, when you read the IMU data, so it's gonna turn black. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. Let's do key learning. Okay, reading the IMU data first. Entering programming mode. It might take a long time. Okay, now we have to make the dealer key. So let's prepare our programmer. Okay, this one here. Okay, the program is connected. This one going to be connected. You want to generate a dealer key? Yes. Okay, place a blank key in the slot over here. Okay. Dealer key generated successfully. Do you want to know? So now go to the learning. No, it's not a smart key. How many keys? We need to program 2 because this one and this one. We hit OK. Establish vehicle communication. Okay. Learning key. Okay. You see here is 1 of 2. So we take this one out and we put over here this one. It's gonna show 2 of 2. That means the programming is done. Key learning complete. Switch the ignition off and wait 5 seconds. Turn the ignition on. 3, 4, 5. Turn it on. Okay. Complete. Now let's see our new key if it's gonna start the car. Beautiful. Nadi kanadi. Okay, now we have to program the remote. Okay, that's it. We're done from this. So we have to program the remote now. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go to remote control learning. Press the unlock button in the door and press OK. We're gonna add 2 because when we program the remote, it's gonna already register the first one. We register the second one. Remote control learning finish. That's it. The job is done in less than 15 minutes. See you in the next video. So that's the old key, as you see. That's the new key. So let's start with the new key first. Okay. Boom. نادي كندي. هذا السيرب ديالو. مريضنا معذوبس.